for me to look at Hilary Benn any longer. I'll tell you why. You see the face, you see the gestures, the body language is that of his father, the voice is that of his father, the ideas belong to George Bush and Tony Blair. And so the war against Jeremy Corbyn has got mixed up in all this. This war drive to send bombers into Syria is caught up now with trying to get rid of Corbyn. You just read to appalling Blairite columnist in today's Guardian, which I haven't read but which has been pointed out to me, because I don't read the Guardian anymore. Two main columnists not attacking the war, not attacking the irrationality of it, but attacking Jeremy Corbyn on the grounds that he is paving the way for the Tories. When what we are being offered by yesterday's folk in the Labour Party, what we are being offered is Toryism. They want to vote for the budget of the Tories, they want to vote for the Tory war. So what's the difference between you and the Tories? So the struggle against this latest escapade is bound up, friends, with the struggle to change and transform this country so that we get a government at some stage which puts working people and the poor first and before the bankers and before the money men and before the arms industry. It's no longer, it is the